Hello and welcome to your calming affirmation meditation for stressful times. Lie down or find a comfortable seat. Take a moment to allow your body to settle. Begin to notice your breath, the flow of breath coming in through your nose, filling up your lungs, the flow of breath back out of the lungs and out of the nose or the mouth. On your next inhale, inhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now find a natural breath, releasing control of the breath and allowing yourself to rest as you repeat the following affirmations to yourself. I am happy. I am healthy. I am safe. I am peaceful. I am free. I am happy. I am healthy. I am safe. I am peaceful. I am free. I am happy. I am healthy. I am safe. I am peaceful. I am free. Take a deep breath in, fill up your belly like a big balloon. Take a big open mouth exhale and sigh it out. Rest here for as long as you have time for before you slowly come back to your day.